beauty of the 80D and the 90D and most of Canon's other cameras that came out after is this very ability to follow my face. So I can move around, I can even come forward and go back within that focus plane, and it's going to adjust the lens automatically. So right now Alicia's filming the back of the camera, so you can see if I come forward or back, or I have two things. One comes forward, she can tap focus and focus on my hand, or again, I can come forward and it should favor my face. That saves you a lot of trouble with focus. When I had this camera, it was amazing, but it worked more like a movie camera, where you actually have to pull or change the focus as your subject moves further away from you or closer. And so unfortunately, a lot of times, even with this great camera, this one was the 5D Mark II, somebody might move around and you may lose your footage because there wasn't focus. And now, of course, again, this amazing technology makes it so you can film alone by yourself, and sometimes Alicia and I will do that for our channel, where we have this camera set up with a 24mm and this one over here set up with the 50, and we can work back and forth between the two with absolutely nobody behind the camera operating it to check focus. And the way we do that, of course, is the other great thing that Canon came out with, starting with the 60D, and that is, of course, the articulating screen, so that we could see what's going on. I can watch myself as I'm filming. If you're familiar with Casey Neistat videos at all, he kind of made this famous. This camera, this setup is one of the reasons why I bought it, because on his great channel, he could do so many things with the autofocus, follow focus, and have his videos look amazing.